Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. The DJI Mini 5 Pro, slated for a September-October 2024 launch, is poised to redefine the aerial photography landscape. With a host of anticipated upgrades, this drone is set to be a game-changer for both hobbyists and professionals. One of the most exciting aspects of the Mini 5 Pro is its expected camera improvements. Rumors suggest a substantial increase in megapixels, ensuring sharper, more detailed images. Additionally, enhanced low-light capabilities will allow for stunning shots even in challenging conditions, such as dusk or dawn. The higher frame rates will also enable users to capture smooth, slow-motion footage, perfect for creative videography projects. These combined camera upgrades promise to deliver a level of image quality that surpasses previous Mini models. The Mini 5 Pro's advanced obstacle avoidance sensors are a game-changer for aerial photography. These sensors, equipped with enhanced detection capabilities, meticulously scan the environment for potential obstacles. By precisely identifying and avoiding collisions, these sensors offer unparalleled safety, allowing you to focus on capturing stunning aerial footage without the fear of accidents. This added layer of protection empowers you to confidently explore new perspectives and experiment with unique angles, unlocking a world of creative possibilities. Beyond safety, the Mini 5 Pro's extended flight times and robust connection provide a seamless aerial experience. The drone's powerful battery ensures longer flight durations, allowing you to capture more breathtaking moments without the worry of premature landing. Additionally, the strengthened connection between the drone and controller guarantees a stable and reliable link, ensuring precise control and uninterrupted flight. This means fewer disruptions and more time enjoying the thrill of aerial photography. With the Mini 5 Pro, you can confidently embark on aerial adventures, knowing that your drone is equipped to provide both safety and exceptional performance. The DJI Mini 5 Pro, weighing less than 250 grams, is a remarkably portable drone designed to cater to the needs of traveling content creators and hobbyists. Despite rumors of potential upgrades, it is anticipated to maintain its affordability within the DJI lineup, offering exceptional value without compromising on performance. Its compact size and lightweight design ensure effortless portability, making it the ideal companion for aerial adventures on the go. The Mini 5 Pro boasts a streamlined aerial photography experience, seamlessly integrating with the DJI Fly app. This user-friendly interface provides intuitive flight controls, live view, and effortless editing features. Capture stunning footage, edit with ease, and share your creations with the world, all within the app's convenient platform. This powerful combination unlocks your creative potential, making it easier than ever to produce and showcase your aerial masterpieces. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is a remarkable drone designed specifically for hobbyist pilots who prioritize portability and exceptional image quality. Its compact size, weighing less than 249 grams, makes it easily transportable, allowing users to capture stunning aerial footage on the go. Equipped with a high-resolution camera, the Mini 5 Pro delivers exceptional image quality, capturing intricate details and vibrant colors even in low-light conditions. Its intuitive control system, combined with intelligent flight modes, ensures a seamless and enjoyable flying experience, even for beginners. While the Mini 5 Pro is an excellent choice for recreational use, professional operators may find its limitations in payload capacity and advanced features restrictive for commercial applications. For those seeking a more robust solution to meet their demanding requirements, a higher-end drone with greater capabilities would be more suitable. Stay tuned for further updates on the DJI Mini 5 Pro as it continues to redefine the possibilities of aerial photography and videography.